Oh my God.
Lasing ka ba? Anong ininim mo?
1 hour later.
Nasasabi lang po. Ambisyosa yung kasama ko.
Talaga marunong mag-cooperate ko. Alam mo, nagtanggal ako.
Ala, ang cute. Bagay ito sa bogey. Dapat magalang siya.
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to
Magtanong. Isa pang tanong.
Dali. Ayun na, ayun. Kila ate na.
Ayun o.
Kila ate o.
Ba't?
Ay, bakit? Hindi ka kasi.
Ito na video. Oh, may ikaw. Nakita mo ba si Piang? Sino si Piang?
Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You.
Talaga, ipakita mo nga kung gaano mo kamahal si Piang.
Totoo talaga to. Promise dito plastic. Totoo. Fan na fan po kita. Wait lang, may reference ako doon. Di nyo naman gets yung reference ko. Wait talaga. You should check the internet more often talaga.
Ay, hindi kasi ako doom scroll.
Are you sure about that?
Stan Twitter yun.
Grabe, sinib niyo talaga.
Promise, hindi to plastic. Talagang, no naman. Sana pala ako. I'm your number one. Kahit na hindi mo ako pasin na basta, narito lang ako sa'yo. DJ! Gino-jo na nila ako. Ano? Jo, pagod na ako.
Hi!
Oh, payong! Hong! Sige! Subukan mo, di ka makakauwi. Bakit ang liit ng payong mo?
Wala naman na papayungan dito. Napapasalan naman tayo.
Baka naman kasi binili ko yung payong para sa sarili ko.
Sige mo naman.
Hindi ka ba nalalamig?
Hindi naman kasi
mahirap ba mag-isang nanginginig?
Bilisan nyo nga muna. Sige.
Ayoko na.
Nailo ako. Bega! Ay, diyan ka. Touch.
What's your name? Hindi gusto niya, oh. Sabi nga, ako nga din. Ay, ako! Sabi. Hi. Kaba mo, ah. Wala ka pang buntok. Nalakan po na naman kami sa labas ng
Oh my God. Anong subject to?
Anong ba subject natin? Drawing!
Drawing!
Wala siyang color.
Walang color.
Bakit? Sino ba si Dustin para kulayan ko?
Oo nga, sino ba si... 1-1 kasi siya. 1-2 kami.
Alexander, come back to sleep.
Be satisfied.
As a woman is never satisfied. What you need. Your love.
I mean, I'm satisfied. I won't be satisfied.
My name's Jealous Alexander Hamilton. Where's your family? From their daddy.
Just you. Feels so sad, so it feels like a mattress. Something didn't know what a house cat. See, like the fact that I never communicate. The conversation doesn't take place. So we treat it as a nice material. So it's a dream and it's a bit of a thing. The man who calls straight to the silence is a bit of a flip, but I'm a bit of a shame. They ask about time, it's just exact. It's timelessly fire from the first fans. Hey, from you, what is it? Which one is it? I want to take a fire from the space.
Forever and ever and ever and ever and
Just wanna get to know
ever. Be back like before. I will fight the fight and win the war. Your love.
Golden State Warriors.
I love you till my dying
Okay, what
day.
color on it? One specific color.
Don't throw away this thing we had. When push comes to shove, I will kill your friends and family to remind you of my love. Hamilton.
Boom.